The second key thing that we do is we pull in financial data. This is typically entered in manually into our system, and it allows us to understand from a financial lens, what are we spending and what are we getting for that spend? So in this instance, what we're going to show is we're going to show how costs are changing month over month. We can show how that's happening at a daily rate. Anything in here we can always put trend lines into, and we can understand how is that changing for the throughput and the velocity that we're getting. So I can see how my costs are changing. I can see how throughput and velocity are changing. And then what this allows me to do is it allows me to understand the efficiency of what's happening. I can understand my cost per task. I can understand my cost per point. And I can build trend lines around this. You can see in this case, I'm getting more efficient over time because the cost of my output is going down. The other thing that we can do is we can understand how is that money being spent in dollars and cents within our organization. So if we want to understand how is it being used across different types, so in this case, bug stories or tasks, we have customers that use this to look at build versus run versus maintain. Or they might look at different components of the application to understand how are they allocating their resources across different parts. This allows you to understand what's happening, where it's being spent. And again, within anything, we can always click on it and we can understand the tasks behind it if we ever want to inspect or get into the details.